All right.
First time trying a Dirty Jay Burglar. Let's see if it sucks.
Indeed, it does suck.
I figured.
As
soon as he leaned back in the chair, I knew it. I screwed these up again.
I may have to have a second just to confirm they do suck.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it takes a little while.
Second bite or a second burglar?
Second burglar.
I figured as much.
Because I've got to put my peepers on there and just look at it, and take a bite. Yeah, it still sucks.
That's
I
good.
get done with that one, I'll have to try another one.
Yeah, well, you have to confirm. I do the same thing with wine. I have to taste it to make sure the wine is good, and it tastes good. And then I reconsider it, and I say, you know, I'm not really sure, so I have to try a little bit more. And basically, I keep trying the wine over and over and over again until there's just enough left in the bottle for the recipe, and then I'm sure it's good.
Yep. You got to make sure it's good before you put it in the recipe.
You don't want to ruin it, sure.
No, absolutely not.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
yeah, that is going to do it here. That was Dynatrak's first time trying Dirty Jay Burglars, especially after being slimed. The full J experience, 110%, 107% actually.
Yep, 107.
Yep. And that's going to wrap this up. My battery's about dead, so we're going to close this out. Thank you so kindly for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Take care. Bye-bye.